In this video, you'll learn how to retrieve your recovery phrase from the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will ensure that you have access to your wallet for future recovery needs. Begin by launching the Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the application is open, you will be greeted by the main interface where your wallet accounts are displayed. Next, locate the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. This icon is typically found in the upper corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access the settings options available for your wallet. After the settings menu opens, look for the option labeled Manage Accounts. This section allows you to view and manage your wallet accounts. Click on Manage Accounts to proceed to the next step. Within the Manage Accounts section, you will see a list of your wallet accounts. Select the account for which you want to retrieve the recovery phrase. Ensure you click on the correct account to avoid any confusion. Once you've selected your wallet account, find the option labeled Show Secret Recovery Phrase. Clicking this will prompt the application to prepare to display your recovery phrase. At this point, you will be asked to enter your wallet password for security purposes. Type in your password carefully. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and protects your sensitive information. After successfully entering your password, your 12-word recovery phrase will be displayed on the screen. Take the time to write it down securely. Remember, this recovery phrase is essential for accessing your wallet in case you forget your password or lose access to your device. It's important to store your recovery phrase in a safe place, as anyone with access to it can gain control over your wallet. Consider using a secure method such as a password manager to keep it safe. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.